tuloy to. May mga gusto lang ako sabihin. Sa totoo lang, lately nakakalunod na. Na minsan, parang gusto mo na lang sumabog. Pero in the end, it turned me into a bigger and better person. Sabi nga nila, when life gives you lemons! Wait lang, pwede po bang wag ng lemon? Meron po bang iba?
Ito, melon.
Ay, sige yan. Pwede yan. When life gives you melons, melon laging chance to become a better version of yourself. So, this is me, making a choice to take care of myself even more. Welcome to my new era.